Look at the way the light hits those trees down there.
It's beautiful. I'm so glad we came out today.
Everything was normal until one innocent moment planted a dangerous doubt. When another man stepped in to help her from falling, fear quietly replaced trust. She told the truth, but his mind refused to let it rest. Even when nothing inappropriate happened.
Honey, what is it? You've been so quiet all afternoon.
Replaying the moment again and again until suspicion felt real. Doubt grew stronger than honesty. Because even when love survives, broken trust leaves scars that cannot be unseen.
Are you okay? What's the matter?
Then, in a crowded place filled with life, she collapsed, and regret crushed him, believing his fear had destroyed the woman he loved. Hours later, reality returned. She survived, the moment misunderstood, the doubt unnecessary. But some lessons arrived too late.